Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use DeepSeek to generate creative writing ideas. So if you are writing any creative texts like poems or stories, books, whatever, you can use DeepSeek to generate any ideas, to sort of brainstorm about something. Because it is an AI tool that can help you with that, it can also help you develop characters, create plot twists, and even write entire scenes. Whether you're working on a novel, a short story, or you just want to practice your writing, DeepSeek can help you with that. So let me show you how it works. First, you can brainstorm the story ideas. So let's, for example, say something like, give me 5 creative story ideas for a fantasy novel. So I'm gonna do that now. And now you can send that. And you can see that it gives me these ideas, it describes them in detail, so I understand what's going on. And for example, now you can select any of those and work in that. So for example, let's say I like the third idea the most. Create a character profile. And now I can ask it to create a character profile for the character in that story, and you can see it gives me the name, age, appearance, personality, backstory, skills and abilities as well, motivations, flaws, and relationships, as you can see. So it develops a pretty detailed character profile. This is how it looks. Now you can also ask it to create plot twists, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ask it to suggest 3 plot twists for that novel. I'm gonna regenerate the answer because the server is quite busy and the website has quite a lot of traffic right now, but it's not that DeepSeek cannot create it, it's just that many people use it at the moment and it generates traffic. So even if it doesn't generate it now, then you can try it yourself and it'll help you generating that. So let's just wait until it generates, or if not, then we'll skip it and you can try it yourself. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip generating that, but you can try it yourself. And I'm just gonna explain a few more things like writing scenes or dialogue. You can ask DeepSeek to help you with that. For example, I'm gonna just give you an example phrase. Write a tense dialogue between two characters arguing over a stolen artifact. Or something else. You can tweak it up, just make it on your own. Remember that whatever it writes, you can change it, and you should change it, because if you want your story to sound naturally, it cannot be just copied from top to bottom from AI. You should tweak it up a bit, but AI can give you a lot of tools that can just help you with writing a story. But if it writes something instead of you, then it will not sound as natural. And you can also use DeepSeek to explore genres and styles. So, for example, you can ask it something like, write the opening paragraph of a sci-fi story in the style of Ray Bradbury. Or you can also use DeepSeek for world building, like describe a magical city where time flows backwards and its inhabitants age in reverse. So it is also pretty interesting. And you can also combine all of these ideas for very unique stories. So these are my tips on DeepSeek on how to use it for story writing. Of course, you can tweak it up yourself. The most important thing is to create clear prompts. So instead of you can see that I've given a very non-specific prompt, like give me 5 creative story ideas for a fantasy novel. So the scope is not, you should narrow the scope. And if you want something more in your style, then you can give it an idea of, for example, that you like magic in it, or you don't want magic, or you want animals playing the main characters. So it'll just make it more accurate. So make it specific. And these are all of my tips on using DeepSeek for creative writing. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.